What you're seeing looks real, right? But it's actually 100% AI generated. And no, it's not made by OpenAI or VO3 either. What you're watching was created by a hidden free text-to-video AI generator tool that just outperformed every major name in the game. Most people don't even know it exists, and even fewer know how to use it. Why? Because it's not free. But after digging for days, I found a loophole. A backdoor that gives you unlimited access to this AI video generator, completely for free. While everyone was freaking out over Google's new VO3, these guys quietly built something even better. The videos it creates? Cleaner, smoother, and just way more real feeling than anything else out there. Now I'm going to share with you how to get unlimited, completely free access to this tool. No catch, no shady hacks, just a simple trick. Here's the deal. It's a 3-step process and it's easy, but you have to do it exactly like I show you, or it won't work. Step 1, fire up a VPN. I use Urban VPN and it's 100% free. Just download and install it from the link in my description. Then open it and connect to the Nigeria server. This is like your master key. Step 2, sign up. Head over to the platform called Dreamina AI, also linked below. Sign up with a Google account that you haven't used with them before. It's best if it's fresh. Use a fake birthday if you want, and once you're in, you'll see you have 0 credits. Don't worry, that's exactly what you want to see. This is the signal. That means the trick is working. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, great, I have 0 credits, but the generator is locked. It's step 3, go back to your VPN and switch to a European country. I switched mine to the UK, then refreshed the page, and boom, the entire platform unlocks. Yes, it still shows 0 credits, but now every single video you make costs 0 credits too, which means you can create unlimited AI videos for free. Cool, right? What can you actually make? First off, there are 2 video models. Always pick the latest one for better results. You can choose 5 or 10-second clips and set your aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts. Let's start simple. I typed this into the free text-to-video AI generator. A robot dog running through a desert at sunset. Hit generate, and seconds later, I had a stunning 4K clip that looked straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's where it gets really fun. I gave the AI one sentence with 3 completely different scenes. A spaceship landing in a glowing jungle. A hooded traveler walking through a snowy cyberpunk city. A drone shot over a waterfall made of glowing lava. Hit generate, and it nailed every single one. This isn't just random visuals, it captures the emotion, the story, the vibe, like a real director would. But it doesn't stop there. When your video is done, you're not stuck with just the default version. Click on the video and you'll unlock a bunch of powerful editing options. You can add extra frames for smooth motion, or enhance the video quality with a single click and even tell the AI to generate a custom soundtrack to match your scene. Asked it for music, and within seconds it created an epic background score that actually matched the vibe. This free AI video generator isn't just good, it's ridiculously powerful. Let's put it to the test. To really test it, I went straight to Google VO3's official website, the one with all those polished demo videos. They actually share the exact prompts they used. Now I copied their prompt, dropped it into this tool, hit generate, and the result? Shockingly good. This free AI tool held its own pretty well against Google's most advanced model, and it didn't cost me anything. That's when I realized this tool isn't just free, it's seriously underrated. Oh, and wait for it. There's an AI avatar feature too. Upload any picture and it can lip sync with your text or audio. I grabbed a screenshot of a guy from the VO demo, typed in his lines, and the lip sync was impressively realistic.
I am not made by Dreamina, I am a real person.
Imagine animating any image, creating endless B-roll, building full ad campaigns, all from a single sentence. The rules of content creation are changing, and now this power is in your hands. I've dropped all the links below so you can get started right now. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.